Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, we're going to be showing you how to build projects in Asana or how to create projects in Asana. So it's a really easy task to do. And what you need to do is, of course, head over to Asana, click on create here on the top left corner of the screen, and then create project, and then you'll see some set here, preset. You already have the choice to make a project from scratch or create a project from a template, which I also showed how you can create a template in another video in the channel, so you better check that one out. So you just set up whatever you want your project to look like, and as you can see, we already have our project here. You'll see lots of features like overview, lists, the board, the timeline of the work, calendar of the work as well, or like what important events we have for the project, the workflow dashboard. It's really good when you use Asana. Everything's so organized, and I really suggest everyone to use this. So how do you, and then if you have a task for someone, you can assign it to someone by writing down their name, and it should notify someone in their email, especially if you invite them or what. So here are some sections you can add sections to, and if you want to invite people, you can just head over to the top right corner where you see add members. So you can add members by name or email, and it should notify them through their email. If they want to join it, they can just accept the invitation. So other things about projects is that you also have customize button here where you can add fields, rules, apps, forms, and so on and so forth. That's it. That's how you build a project in Asana. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.